Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, guys. It's PJ's Outdoors here. Forgot the intro. Today, what I'm trying to do, as you can see, is I'm trying to start up my 100 here. I haven't started in a couple weeks, you know. So it's going to be a little hard to start. Like, last I started it was, not last Sunday, the Sunday before last Sunday. So I hasn't started in a while. I couldn't ride it because it was raining. Well, I could ride it if I wanted to, but if I wanted to get wet. I noticed something down here. I think I got a little fuel leak. Not sure. I'm going to have to put fuel in it, I guess. Okay, come to find out, there is fuel in it. I don't know what that's all about. I thought I had a full tank in it, like a couple weeks ago. And plus I've been busy, so I couldn't ride it as well. So let me just start it again. And let's see if she turns over this time. Let's see if I can get it down. Shoot. Damn, right? No, half choke. There we are. Whoop. I'm just gonna try without choke. Gas is on. Oh! Got it. Every time I let go of the throttle, she stalls. I just had her running there. Huh. Smells. Let me start this thing again. Okay, off camera. I've been trying to start it again. It's like every time I let go of the throttle now, it's like my PW80, my old 80. Like when you let go of the throttle, it stalls right away. Right now. Like this dirt bike never does that. I don't know if it's because I haven't ridden it in a couple weeks or what. Last time I rode it was my last YouTube short. Pretty much. Well, the day after that, I believe. So, it's maybe 2 days after that. I'm not sure. I think I posted it on a Friday, so Sunday, the last I rode it. I don't know why it's not starting. I'm going to look at it. Okay. I didn't look at it or nothing, but I'm just going to try and just keep kicking it over, see if I can get it finally get started. Again. Well, here it goes. Not boring sometimes. Okay. Now, when I let go of the throttle, it didn't stall. Maybe it's because I had the choke on. I was trying to let it run with the choke for a few minutes. Now it's time to get riding this thing. First I gotta get my helmet, safety first. Because safety first, yeah. She's finally running. Alright guys, I want to tell you all, Types of Bike Guys Part 2 is going to be out this month. We're going to make it at Jace's house, I believe. So, if I don't get to make it at Jace's house, I'll make it here. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Oh, and I stalled. And I'll see you in the next one.